What's up guys, it's your boy at FedEasy. What's going on? Today on this beautiful Sunday, we'll be doing the 2-week review of Owner's Pride Canada ceramic coating and multi-use tire shine. Alright, let's get it. So here's my dirty challenger after 2 weeks. For my last episode, which if you missed, you can find the links in the description below, so go ahead and check that out first. Now one positive right away is that it took 2 weeks to get to this point, so it's not that bad. Typically it would get this dirty after a few days, but it did stay relatively clean for over a week. To give a fair review, let's quickly wash off some dirt and see how the water repels and get a good look at the plastic pieces we treated with the Owner's Pride Canada multi-use tire shine. Alright, so while rinsing the Challenger, we see the water still repelling off the wrap. We can see it roll off nicely and also see the water bead up as well. If this baby was rolling on the highway, it would just fly off in the rain, so that's good. Okay, let's let this baby dry for a bit and we can get a good look at the plastic panels we treated. Alright, so now let's check this out. Plastic stayed a lot darker over this time period. Let's go ahead and take a look at this little section over here. We can definitely see where we didn't treat it to the right. And we can see that section is fairly faded and grayed compared to the left, where it is a lot darker. Another bonus point for this one. Alright, so next up is our floor mats. As we can see, we got some dirt in the driver's side, so let's vacuum that up first. Alright, so nice. The floor mats still look good. Darker than they were before. Stayed dark. Looks like it does last. Let's check out the other floor mats, and it looks good as well. Not bad at all, bros. Alright, finally, let's give a quick wash on this baby with just soap and see how it turns out. Damn, not bad at all. I'll be honest with you, washing the car was a little bit quicker and easier. Now we can see, look at the plastic panels, even without application, not bad at all. Especially after the just quick wash. Overall, I'm pretty happy with both the ceramic coating and multi-use tire shine. Not only does it do what it says it does, but I did experience a longer period of time before washes. Typically, I wash my Challenger every week, but damn, after this, maybe I'll do it every 2 weeks. The only caveat here is the tire shine on the tires. It needed to be reapplied after about a week, which is not bad, understandable as they experience the most wear while driving. I'll definitely be using them in the future. They make my life a lot easier as they last long in between applications. Simple as that. Please check them out online at www.ownerspride.ca and see all the products they provide. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Hit the ding-a-ling for notifications, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace!